Hi, how to add text to your videos in SONY VEGAS Pro. It's a fairly straightforward tutorial. First of all, you've got your video. So what you do is drag and drop that, and you want to put it on the second track down, not the top track. So you should have a track empty above it. So once you've done that, so you right mouse and you click Insert Generated Media. Now you notice that the top video track is highlighted. To do this, then you select 1000 text. OK. So now you've got your sample text on there already. So you can change it to whatever you want. So just highlight it. So I'm going to set it to that. Now if you want to change the font size, you've got to highlight it and then do it. Because if you don't highlight it, then it doesn't change. You can change it to whatever you want. It doesn't actually change it. You can change the font to whatever you want. So I'm going to set it to Dunga. And then if you go down in the settings, you can change the text color. So I'm going to change it to blue. And then it can do like an outline on it as well. So outline. So I'm going to do quite a strong outline around it. So like that. And then a shadow. You have to click enable shadow. And then you can set whatever settings you prefer. So I'm just going to do it a little bit like that. So that is the finished result. And you just close it. So now you can move that to wherever you want. You can make it how long you want as well. So you can do it an entire video if you wanted. But I'm just going to do the first little bit. So I'm going to do like a fade in. So if you go into top left and press the left mouse, you can fade in as much as you want. And I'm going to play it through. And there you go. It's done. So it's that simple. And you can add as many as those as you want. You can also copy. Say if you want to copy that and put it somewhere else. Paste. I want to create a new one with same settings. Take that off, pan off. I'm going to fade it out at the end, and I can click on the film icon to change it. I'm going to change it to that. So now the video is going to play through, and then I'm going to put on the end to finish it off. So that's a quick guide on how to add text to a video, or it could be a still image as well. Give it a try.